So, ACME products. Wow, this is a company that's really grown. And so Joe is ready to expand dramatically. And so ACME is going to add a branch office and a retail store at the office. And so we have a new location for ACME products, a place where people can walk right in and buy their products, and there's point of sale there. And so it's a remote location. So the question now is, how do we connect our locations together? And we introduce a new product here called a router. And so a router you'll see there in the picture. A router is a device that really has two personalities. It has two sides. And this router has a side that's the LAN side. It's the local area for the internal connection. And if you could see the little label, it would just say LAN. And then it has a WAN side, a connection for the outside world. And so this router is going to sit between these two networks. And so what we're going to do is we're going to connect our router up to our layer 3 switch on the LAN side. So I'm going to connect my LAN connection over to my layer 3 switch. There we go. And now I'm ready to connect my network to the outside world. And how do I do that? I need a relationship with a wide area network provider. We call these guys carriers, perhaps, a carrier company. And so these carriers will provide the connection, the connectivity between my two businesses here, right? I'm not going to run Ethernet several miles or even copper or fiber. So I'm going to need a company that can provide me with that connectivity here. And so I'm going to use orange cable to represent my connections to the outside world. And so I've connected my router on the LAN side. Now I'm ready to connect my router on the WAN side. So I plug that in, and this will go off out to now the outside world.